Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the CypeCAD and Cype 3D. In this session I want to show you some models that we created in Cype 3D and CypeCAD. So this Cype 3D and CypeCAD are powerful software structural solution for a structural solution that you can model any type of structure, especially in Cype 3D, and building type structures in CypeCAD. So let's see some of these models in Cype 3D and CypeCAD. I will tell you which one is for Cype 3D and which models are related to or created in CypeCAD. So for example, here we can see this structure that created in Cype 3D. So let me show you the render view of this structure. So as you can see here, this structure is actually twisted structure, is not, a regular structure, as you can see. And here from the render view, so we have some good options. By the way, here it is Cype 3D. So here I can come to this views. And also I can see from other views as well, like this. And easily you can see the geometry of the structure. So let's move to another example. So here we have this example. As you can see here, you have this system. It's bridge type system. And then if I go to the 3D view, and then here we have it. So as you can see here, so we have the I-beam sections, we have the some other steel sections, and here we have the trusses, and all this kind of geometries and structures can be easily modeled, analyzed, and designed in Cype 3D. Okay, let's move to another example. So here we have this spiral staircase. As you can see here, also in Cype 3D, you can go to design the base plate as well. Not only base plate, so in Cype 3D, you can design the connections. Let's say, for example, here we have this connected member to this one, and then easily we can design the connection for this type of geometries. So once again here, so I can come to the top view, for example, and from here I can see the entire geometry of structure. However, here also we have some other options. Let's say, for example, here I can filter some structural components. Like here, for example, I can filter the steels or columns. Here I can go for filtering of beams, and also here I can go to filter the welds as well as foundation or base plate. So as you can see here, so you have all these great options in rendering view option. Let's move to another example here. So here we have this kind of structure. So here you can see the concrete block, and also here you have the concrete block, and here you have the steel section. Let's move to another one. So here we have this structure. So if I show you in the better view like this, as you can see here, we have different type of sections, steel sections, and the geometry of the structure is not complicated, but also is not simple. And here you have the concrete section as well as steel sections. So again, it's nice to mention that in this software you can go for composite structure as well. So it doesn't matter, you don't have any limitation in terms of modeling of composite structures. So for example, here you have the concrete column, and here you have the concrete, steel column. And also here again, you have the base plate. So easily you can design the base plate for the columns. So this 4 examples actually was for Cype 3D. So let's show you some example of CypeCAD. CypeCAD is mostly used for building type structures. So for modeling, analysis, and design and detailing of building type structures. Let's say here we have this kind of structure, and then here we have the geometry of the structure, and as you can see here, so easily you can walk through the structure just like this. Is a great tool that you can walk through the structure. Let's say for example here I can adjust in this view, and then I can rotate the structure, and from here I can move. And also I can go to the upper floors. And also let me show you another example of CypeCAD model. So let's say here we have this, and as you can see here also we can model the ramp. So here we have the ramp, and here also you are able to create the curve beams or curve walls. And once again, so here you can walk through your model. So to conclude this video, in Cype 3D actually is as an general purpose structural solution. So you can design any type of structure, including the buildings, transmission tower, dams, retaining wall. So it doesn't matter. So you can design and model and design any type of structure like this, like bridge, building, staircases, and this special type of structure. And also, for let's say top side for offshore structure, even you can use Cype 3D. And for CypeCAD is mostly actually for building type structure, so you can model any type of building structures with any geometry, with any number of floors, doesn't matter. We don't have any limitation. And also you can design the foundations, and if the structure or building structure is a steel structure, also you can design the connection as well. So in both Cype 3D and CypeCAD, we are able to design the connections. And also here you are able to create such geometry for ramps, and here you have the other portion of the structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.